Hi, I'm Dr. Jordan Rihani at the Facial Plastic Surgery Institute. Today I'm going to be talking about the FPSI Signature Lift and what makes it different from other procedures. When I was going through my training and even in practice, I was noticing a lot of the shortcomings of facelifting procedures, and that's what led me to design this procedure. And what the FPSI Signature Lift does is it addresses everything from the skin down to the skeleton. And that's really important because as we age, we don't only have changes in the skin with extra laxity, we're also losing volume in the deeper layers of the skin and the fat and even in the facial bones. So by addressing all those through the FPSI Signature, we're really able to create more natural results. So what does the FPSI Signature Lift do? It improves surface appearance of the skin, removes extra skin laxity, it preserves as much of the patient's natural fat and volume that is present. We replace volume that's been lost, usually using the patient's own fat. We are repositioning fat and muscle that have started to sag. And lastly, we're doing a deep plane advancement of the neck muscles with tightening to really achieve maximum results. From a recovery standpoint, what makes the FPSI Signature Lift different is that patients are going home the same day, and I'm not using any drains during this procedure. So when I take off the dressing the following day, our patients are actually washing their hair. So it's really a comfortable recovery process for our patients, not worrying about the drains and getting drains caught and things like that. Lastly, our patients are seeing excellent results, and these are also permanent results. So it's something that the patients are really appreciating. They're tired of the temporary fixes that some of these other procedures afford with 1 or 2 years of improvement. These are really results that are going to last a lifetime. So for more information on the procedure, if you'd like to see some before and after pictures, check out our website, facialplasticsurgeryinstitute.com, or check us out on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you.